How to delete all saved messages in Snapchat. First, you need to make sure that you're logged into your Snapchat account. Go to settings. Now scroll down and kind of look for account actions. Continue scrolling. And then once you are here on account actions, tap the second one, which is clear conversation. And then once you're here, select the conversation that you want to delete. For example, this one. Now they will ask you again if you're sure to clear the conversation. All you have to do is to tap clear. Now you can tap all the X here until you clear all the conversation that you have. As easy as that. That is how to clear or delete a conversation on Snapchat. Now you can go back and check if you deleted all saved messages on Snapchat. As easy as that. Thank you for watching.